You are mad. You are very stupid. You don't have goals. You can never become good in this life. You are so stupid that you can never be restructured. You are mugu. Nothing good will come out of you. Have they said something like that in your life? Did you keep hearing negative bad words from people's mouth concerning you? Or have you made a mistake that everybody keep talking about you in a negative aspect? Have you walked on the road, somebody say, see that girl that they talk about, look at her, look at the way she's walking. See this girl, she's very stupid, she cannot become good in this life. Is it you that they have said that your village people is chasing you, that there is no way you can be successful? Have you looked at yourself? You've tried everything, single thing to become great, yet you are still sinking in the ocean. What have they not said about? What have you not seen people talk about you? What have you not heard people say about you? There are a lot of things out there that are evil everywhere. You've made a mistake. Yes, it's an opportunity again for you to dust yourself and become whatever thing you want to become. You have done this, you've done that. Yes, that's in the past now. Can you just focus on the future? Can you focus? This is the present time now. What are the things now you want to do? What are the positive things now you want to do? They said. What have you said about your life? What have you said that you are going to become? What is that thing that you have said that blessing from henceforth, good things shall come into my life? Blessing, wherever you go today, favor will follow you. You attend favor anywhere you go. Blessing, as I step out of this house today, as I'm going to get that job, I'm going to get it. The village people are following me. This thing is doing me. This one is doing me. Blah, blah, blah. You're always complaining. You can't keep complaining. See, let me tell you, successful people don't keep complaining. Rather, they look for solutions for themselves. They look for how to make things right. They look for how to stop some complaints in their life. You can't keep complaining. You are great. You have potential in you. It's only that you've not looked for it, you've not found it. You end up saying, in my family, nobody has prospered. How am I sure that me too I'm going to prosper? No! Life is very easy. Life is easy. It's only the humans in this earth, in this world, that have made things to be difficult. What is your role to play in your life today? Don't let anyone dim your light. Don't let anyone say negative things in your life and you accept it. Wave it. Even in the house I said, let them say, but let it not be true. Leave people to say those negative things in your life. Leave them to say whatever they want to say. But within yourself, is it true? If it's not true, move on. Move on with your life. Focus on what you want to achieve. If it is true, sit down. Think about yourself. This thing I'm doing, where is it going to take me to? If it is things that you know that it is wrong, stop it. It will not take you to anywhere. Like, it will damage your personality. It will damage your emotions. It's going to break you down. Life is very easy. Life is so simple. Life is so precious. This life is so easy. You can become any single thing you want to be in this life. You can get to anywhere you want to get to in this life. Just believe in yourself. Love yourself. Admire yourself. Appreciate yourself. Thank God for making you even a citizen in whatever country you are. Thank God, it's for a purpose. Now it's left for you to find that purpose. Find that purpose that God has placed you. Don't let anyone dim your life. Don't let anyone take out something precious from you. Even though they've tried to take something precious from you, fight to get it back.
Your personality matters because that is how people see you outside. The way you carry yourself matters because that's the way people perceive you outside. The way you groom yourself, that is how people see you outside. What are you achieving today? What are those things that you want to achieve? Go home, wherever you are right now, wherever you are hearing me now. Take a book, take a pen, write down those things. Don't just watch this video because you just want to watch it and go away. No, take a book, take a pen, write down what you want to achieve. Forget about the past. Forget about what all people have said. What they have said doesn't mean anything in your life. Embrace the present. Embrace the future. The future is so bright. No one can dim your light. It is only you that can dim your light. It is only you that can limit yourself from achieving whatever you want to achieve. So therefore, plan, and I believe you will get there. Thank you.